In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable notifications in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. If you're tired of websites constantly asking for permission or sending pop-up notifications, this simple setting can help you take back control and make browsing a lot cleaner and quieter. This is a great fix if you want fewer distractions, better privacy, and a smoother browsing experience. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the full Edge settings page where you can manage privacy, appearance, permissions, and more. On the left-hand side, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Edge keeps a lot of the important privacy and security controls. After that, scroll down until you find Site Permissions and click on it. Site Permissions lets you control what websites are allowed to access, including location, camera, microphone, and notifications. Now click All Permissions. This section gives you the full list of website permission categories, so you can manage each one individually. From the list, find notifications and open it. Here, you'll see the option that controls whether websites can ask you before sending notifications. To turn this off, simply toggle off Ask Before Sending. Once this setting is disabled, websites will no longer be able to prompt you to allow notifications in the same way, which means fewer pop-ups and less clutter while you browse. If you also want to make sure specific websites are not sending notifications, you can review the list below and remove or block any sites you don't want to hear from. That's it. You've now disabled notifications in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference if you want a quieter and more distraction-free browsing experience. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.